This is a website we have created for professional designers to design habitats in space. The name is Advanced Mission Designer. This video will guide you how to use this website. Now, when you scroll through this wall, you will encounter a habitat in the moon. This is the habitat selector in which you can select three habitats: lunar base, Mars base, and space station. The research lab will be there for every base. So I have taken lunar base. For applying the furniture, we can go in the left tab, and here we will find all the objects required to live in space. I'll go on adding random objects to demonstrate. Now I have added a few objects. I drag them to place them wherever I want. This will make the habitat more realistic and look neat. After dragging is over, I'll set the cursor on an object. Here you will see two buttons. The first button is settings, the other button is delete. When I click on delete, the object will delete. Instead, for the settings button, when you click on the settings button, you can change the width, height, depth of the object. Also, you can change the material of the object. Here is also an option to delete the object. Now you have created a habitat, but it's not livable because the oxygen level, entertainment, sleep, temperature, food are all poor. For this, all the levels should be optimal or good to make a person live efficiently in this habitat. Here is the tasks. A person should complete the task to make the habitat functional throughout the time. All the tasks for this habitat is over, so the option is advance to the next day. Here is the blueprint. This will help professionals to understand the structure more easily. If you click back on, comes the normal website. We can zoom in and zoom out and also rotate the home. Here is the home settings. When you click on it, we can change the size of the home. I'll increase it to the max. And also we can change the material the home is built in. I will choose titanium alloy and close. Now the house is bigger and the material is better. Next is the research lab. But first, the Mars base and space station are similar. Next is the research lab. In the research lab, there will be science equipment used for research and projects. We have given 6 equipments to choose from. There are 2 rovers and 4 science equipment. This is for a functional lab and a productive habitat. Next, if we click on simulate, it will simulate the whole habitat. If you click back on, it will stop. Now you have created a good design, and to save it, click on the save button and it will be saved to the computer. Now I have cleared the design, but I want the same design back. What you want to do is go to load, and when you click on it, a tab will appear. In this, you can select the design, and when you press open, the design comes back. This is how you can use the Advanced Mission Designer to create livable habitats for people who want to live in space.